Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add music to Instagram post. So, let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the bottom to create a new post. You can choose to upload a photo from your camera roll or library, or capture a new photo directly within the app. Once you have your photo selected, feel free to get creative with the editing tools. Apply filters, adjust brightness and contrast, or add some text to make your photo pop. Now, look for the music note icon at the top right corner. That's your gateway to the musical world of Instagram. Tap the music note icon and you'll be presented with a music library. Here's where the fun begins. Browse through the For You section for personalized recommendations, or dive into Browse to explore different genres and moods. Once you've chosen your song, you can select which part you want to play with your photo. Use the handy slider at the bottom to pick the exact section that complements your post perfectly. You can choose up to 90 seconds of the song. Once you've selected your music snippet, hit Done in the top right corner. You'll see the album art displayed where the music note icon was before. Now, feel free to add a caption and tags before hitting Share. And there you have it. Your Instagram post is now rocking a fantastic soundtrack. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.